Hello, this is Daniel, and today I want to tell you about 3 different AutoFlex Connect features that you may have never heard of. Let me know in the comments if you already knew these 3 features and if there are any features you want to see a video on in the future. Let's dive into the first feature, THI equipment groups. THI equipment groups allow you to control your equipment based off a THI reading rather than a temperature reading. THI is a temperature and humidity index, a calculation that takes both temperature and humidity into account and then spits out a single number. These equipment groups are helpful if you want to more closely integrate humidity into your control scheme than just by using a secondary modifier with a humidity probe. As you can see, the fans turn off when the THI reading drops below the fan set point, just like with a normal cooling group. The second feature you may not know is settings modes. You can have up to 6 unique settings modes saved and can rename them so you know what they are for. You can see here there is a summer, a winter, a cleanout, and an empty barn mode. There's even the option to schedule a changeover if you want to automate it. Note that settings modes are per room, so if you have multiple rooms, you can have one in summer mode and then one in cleanout mode if it emptied quicker. The third feature is inverted 0 to 10 VDC outputs. Normally, the VDC4 card will send out a 0 volt signal for 0% and a 10 volt signal for 100%. You can invert this, however. This would be an extra layer of backup protection so that if something were to happen to the control to cause the output to go to 0, normally your fans would turn off. However, with the inverted output, it would turn the fans on to 100%. You could add this to your minimum ventilation stage of fans to ensure that you are always going to get that minimum amount of fresh air. Make sure that you adjust your VFD or fan drive so it knows the signal is inverted too. So that's it. 3 features of the AutoFlex Connect you may not know. If you want more walkthroughs and tutorials, hit subscribe, like this video. Also, you can check out the back catalog of videos on this channel. Having said that, that'll do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.